Welcome to our channel. As men reach the age of 40 and beyond, maintaining muscle mass becomes increasingly important for overall health and vitality. Muscle growth not only enhances physical appearance but also boosts metabolism, improves bone density, and supports joint health. In this video, we'll explore effective muscle building hacks specifically designed for men over 40. Get ready for an engaging and informative journey where we'll dive into unique scientific insights that reveal how your body changes with age and what you can do to counteract these effects. We'll also share practical tips that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine, from workout strategies to nutritional advice. Whether you're a seasoned gym goer or just starting out, these hacks will empower you to build and maintain muscle effectively, ensuring you feel strong and energized in your 40s and beyond. Hack number 1. Optimize your protein intake. As we age, our bodies experience a natural decline in protein synthesis, making it crucial to prioritize protein intake for muscle growth. For older adults, this means that simply consuming protein isn't enough. We need to be strategic about it. Lean meats, fish, eggs, and plant-based sources like legumes and quinoa are excellent options that provide the essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. To maximize the benefits, aim to spread your protein intake throughout the day rather than consuming it all in one meal. This approach not only enhances muscle protein synthesis but also helps maintain steady energy levels. By focusing on high-quality protein sources and distributing your intake, you can effectively support your muscle building efforts and ensure your body remains strong and resilient as you age. Hack number 2. Incorporate resistance training. Resistance training is essential for muscle maintenance, especially as we age. Engaging in various forms of resistance training, such as free weights, resistance bands, and machines, can help you build and preserve muscle mass effectively. Among these, compound movements like squats and deadlifts are particularly beneficial, as they engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, promoting overall strength and stability. These exercises not only enhance muscle growth but also improve functional fitness, making everyday activities easier. To see real progress, consistency is key. Aim to incorporate resistance training into your routine at least 2 to 3 times a week. Additionally, focus on progressive overload by gradually increasing the weight or resistance you use. This approach challenges your muscles, encouraging them to adapt and grow stronger over time. By committing to resistance training, you'll set the foundation for lasting muscle health and vitality. Hack number 3. Prioritize recovery and sleep. Recovery and sleep play a crucial role in muscle building, especially for men over 40. When you work out, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers, and it's during recovery that these fibers repair and grow stronger. Without adequate rest, your body struggles to rebuild, hindering your muscle growth. To enhance your recovery, prioritize quality sleep by establishing a calming bedtime routine, such as dimming the lights, reading, or practicing relaxation techniques. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night to allow your body to fully recharge. Additionally, don't underestimate the importance of rest days in your workout regimen. Incorporating rest days helps prevent overtraining and reduces the risk of injury, giving your muscles the time they need to recover and grow. By prioritizing recovery and sleep, you'll optimize your muscle building efforts and support overall health. Hack number 4. Manage stress levels. Managing stress is vital for muscle growth and overall health, especially for men over 40. When stress levels rise, the body produces cortisol, a hormone that can hinder muscle repair and growth while promoting fat storage. Chronic stress can lead to fatigue, decreased motivation, and even health issues, making it essential to find effective ways to manage it. Techniques such as meditation and yoga can be incredibly beneficial, as they promote relaxation and help lower cortisol levels. Additionally, consider incorporating activities that you genuinely enjoy, whether it's hiking, painting, or spending time with loved ones. Finding what helps you unwind is key to maintaining a balanced lifestyle. By actively managing stress, you not only support your muscle building efforts but also enhance your overall well-being, allowing you to lead a healthier, more fulfilling life. Hack number 5. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is crucial for optimal muscle function and overall performance, especially for men over 40. Dehydration can significantly hinder muscle performance, leading to fatigue, cramps, and decreased strength. When your body lacks sufficient water, it struggles to transport nutrients to your muscles and remove waste products, which can impede recovery and growth. Aim for at least 8 to 10 cups of water daily, adjusting based on your activity level and climate. To enhance your hydration strategy, consider carrying a reusable water bottle and setting reminders to drink throughout the day. Additionally, incorporating hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables, such as watermelon, cucumbers, and oranges, can boost your fluid intake while providing essential vitamins and minerals. By prioritizing hydration, you'll support your muscle function, improve your workouts, and promote overall health, ensuring you feel your best as you age. Conclusion. In this video, we explored 5 essential hacks for muscle growth specifically tailored for men over 40. We discussed the importance of optimizing protein intake, incorporating resistance training, prioritizing recovery and sleep, managing stress levels, and staying hydrated. Each of these strategies plays a vital role in enhancing muscle function and overall health as you age. By implementing these hacks into your daily routine, you can effectively support your muscle building efforts and maintain your vitality. Remember, consistency is key. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might benefit from these insights. Together, let's empower each other to lead healthier, stronger lives as we navigate the journey of aging. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.